Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the modern sliding wardrobe design ideas for 2024 because investing in a sliding wardrobe can be excellent way to upgrade your home interior design while adding practical storage space with a space saving design and increased storage capacity, stylish designs, easily maintenance and added value of your property. And it's no wonder that sliding wardrobes are popular choice for many homeowners looking to transform your living space into luxurious and functional because modern sliding wardrobe design, commonly referred to as sliding door wardrobe, is elegant and functional closet that features unique sliding doors instead of traditional hing doors available in ranges of materials and designs such as wood, glass, and mirror finishes. Sliding wardrobes can be customization to suit your specific needs and dimensions of your space. When it comes to designing a bedroom space is often to primer concern. Sliding wardrobe can be excellent solution for small bedrooms or rooms with limited floor space. Unlike traditional hing door wardrobes, sliding wardrobe designs in bedroom do not require any extra space for the doors and wardrobe designs. Bedrooms do not require any extra space for the doors to open. When it comes to designing a bedroom, space is often to primer concern. Sliding wardrobe can be excellent solution for small bedrooms or rooms with limited floor space. Unlike traditional hing door wardrobes, sliding wardrobe designs in bedroom do not require any extra space for the doors to swing open. This means you can maximize the amount of storage space in your room without sacrificing the floor space. Another another advantage of modern sliding door wardrobes is range of customization options are available. Whatever you prefer, traditional or modern look, there are many different finishes, materials and styles to choose from. You can also customize the interior of wardrobes fit your specific needs including shelves, drawers and hanging rods. And sliding wardrobes are designed to optimize storage and organization. With sliding wardrobes, you can create custom interior configuration that accommodates all your clothes and accessories. This means you can easily find the access everything you need without the hassles of digging through and clutter. Plus, with added benefit of being able to see all your class at once, you can get dressed more efficiently in the morning. Sliding wardrobes not only provide practical benefits but also offer an alluring aesthetic appeal with their contemporary modern design. They can infuse touch of modern elegance into your bedroom and enhance the overall value and appeal of your house. With wide ranges of finishes and designs available, you can select and sliding wardrobe can seamlessly complement your exciting decor and reflecting your unique personal style. In added benefits of sliding wardrobes is the ample storage spaces they offer. Sliding wardrobes comes in ranges of sizes and configurations, which means that you can easily find one that fit your specific storage needs. You can customize your sliding wardrobes with shelves, drawers, and hanging spaces and make the most of the available space. Sliding wardrobes are relatively easy to clean and maintain, unlike traditional wardrobes with hing doors that can accumulate dust and debris in the hangs. Sliding wardrobes have smooth surfaces, they are easy to wipe clean, and you want to have worry about dusting in hard reach areas, and you will spend less and time maintaining your wardrobe. Installing sliding wardrobes in your house can also added value of your property. High quality sliding door wardrobe designs can be attractive selling point to potential buyers and it can be increase your home overall value. Investing sliding wardrobes can be excellent way to upgrade your home interior design while adding practical storage space with a space-saving design, increased storage capacity, and stylish designs, easily maintenance, and added value to your property. It is wonder that sliding wardrobes are popular choice for many homeowners looking to transform your living space into luxurious and functional haven. You need to search any further when it comes to wardrobes. In this video, help for you. When you are choosing wardrobe for your bedroom, in addition to decide whatever you are going to have freestanding solution or something that bespoke on fitted, you will also need to be decide whatever you will like, have to hang doors or sliding doors more often than not. Sliding doors are the first choice for homeowners that there are so many benefits and sliding doors are the perfect space saving solution for wardrobes and no matter how much floor space you have in your bedroom, you want to struggle to be open and close your wardrobe when you have sliding doors rather than swinging open like traditional hang doors. These doors will slide on your track, preventing you from needing the additional space for your wardrobe. When installing fitted wardrobes with sliding doors, you have to complete control over the appearance of your doors. You can easily design. You can easily design and descope and sliding wardrobe doors that are perfect choice for your bedrooms. And you will have two wide ranges of colors and finishes to choose from. Whatever you are, go for timeless stone grays and wardrobes. Go for modern mirror wardrobes, and for example, there will always beautiful crafted too. Finding bedroom furniture that fit on your bedroom, it's not always easy to, especially if you have just sloping ceilings or multiple enclosures. But bespoke fitted wardrobes with the sliding doors are easy to install absolutely anywhere. Every element of the wardrobe design will be made of to measure, and you want to have worry about your wardrobes and not being suitable for your bedroom space when you are decide to open the best scope storage solutions and opening and closing sliding wardrobes are could not be easier and the doors will effortless slide along with the built-in track even if you have your hand full with clothes and you need to pack away from the example. If you want to struggle to open your wardrobe and you want to need full handle to get into the storage space, as you do with the hang doors. So, assessing all your wardrobe storage solution want to cost you have any hassles. Alongside bed wardrobes is one of the most frequently used pieces of furniture in the bedroom, and you will likely get items out of your wardrobe and at least once a day. Thankful to sliding wardrobes and that quality of materials you want to get worry about them being able to withstand general wear and a party wear. Not having femless hinges will prevent any issue wherever you are unable to open the close your wardrobes to. And and sliding wardrobes have a clean and contemporary look. The absence of handles and knobs on the doors contribute the minimalistic and streamlined appearance which complement various interior styles. Sliding doors is glide horizontals on tracks, which means they do not swing open on your room. This design is ideal for rooms with limited space or maximizing available floor space. Sliding wardrobes are highly customizable. You can choose from various door styles, materials, and finishes to match your bedroom decor. Additionally, you can incorporate features like mirrors, frosted glass, and even personalized designs. Sliding doors is provide easy access to your belongings. They allow to you make the entire wardrobe at once, making it simple and find organization your clothes and accessories. And you can